Myntra Beauty fam, welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. I am Jhanvi Bhatia and I will be taking you guys through this video today and I'm very excited to do that. But before I start, I want to show you guys all the amazing products that I bought from the Myntra Beauty section on their app. And in case you don't know, the Myntra Beauty section app is right here and has all the amazing brands. It's literally my ultimate beauty destination. Anyway, so Valentine's Day is right around the corner and everyone is bringing out their red lipsticks and gearing up for their makeup looks for all those cute romantic dates. Unfortunately though, a lot of people make classic mistakes when it comes to wearing the red lip and the entire makeup look. So I'm here to make you avoid all those mistakes and make you look your fab self on these cute dates. So the first mistake that I've seen people make is to pair their red eyeshadows with their red lips. I mean, yes, it looks gaudy, it might look good in these magazines, but otherwise it completely ruins your look. So here my tip would be to pair your red lips with a gold matte eyeshadow. It makes your lip and your color pop out and otherwise make the look extremely subtle and elegant.
I'm using this amazing eyeshadow palette by Maybelline. It's the City Mini palette in the shade Westside Roses. I've left the link in the description for you to grab the palette. Now I'll finish the look with this amazing mascara by L'Oreal Paris. Now this makes my eyes pop. And the red lipstick I used was in the shade 220 Ambitious by Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink, which you can easily get on Myntra.
Tip number 2 would be to create drama and fullness. It would be to take this regular red lip to the next level and create an ombre effect.
This is super easy to do. Just take a red shade that is darker than your lipstick and line your lips with it like I am doing. After that, you can create the shade. Doesn't it look amazing? The lip liner I use is from the brand Color Bar in the shade Perfect Maroon 012 that went perfectly with my lipstick, and all of this is available on Myntra.
The third tip I believe is the one that people get confused with the most. What kind of red should I pick for myself? What shade of red would go for a daytime look and what shade would go for a candlelight dinner? Well, let me help you.
So if you have a night date, then I suggest you go for something classy like a maroon red. Check out the shade Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick 10 Cherry Darling by Sugar. And well, if you're going for a brunch date or a day date, then you need something more playful like a warmer orange or a pink red lip. Love the Mamaearth Hydra Matte Crayon Lipstick in the shade 07 Raspberry Red for this.
Although, do keep your outfit in mind while selecting the lipstick shade for yourself. I have linked both the lipsticks in the description box below. They're beautiful, go check them out. My final pro tip is to make sure that your lipstick stays. Nothing kills a romantic date more than a sloppy eater. And imagine, you're eating and halfway through you find out that your red lipstick is all over your mouth and your dinner, like a murder scene. No, we don't want that.
But don't worry, the solution is simple. Make any lipstick transfer proof by adding a touch of Sugar Lip Zip coat. One coat of it will make sure your lipstick is transfer proof. This is also available on Myntra Beauty section on their app, so go check it out.
Well, now that you have all these pro tips in your mind, I'm sure you're in for a very glam and very romantic Valentine's Day. Anyway, that's it for the video. Hope these tips helped. In case you'd want any of the products that I've mentioned in the video, check out the links in the description box, or you can directly check out the Myntra app and the beauty section in it. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more such amazing content. Bye!